Moto Explorers. Today, we're diving into the Ducati Diavel V4, a stunning evolution of Ducati's iconic power cruiser. With its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and the new V4 engine, the Diavel V4 takes performance and style to an entirely new level. At its core, the Diavel V4 is powered by the Granturismo V4 engine, a 1,158cc liquid-cooled powerhouse delivering 168 horsepower and 93 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides effortless acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it perfect for both adrenaline-packed rides and long-distance cruising. Plus, with extended maintenance intervals, the V4 is as practical as it is thrilling. The design of the Diavel V4 is unmistakably Ducati, with muscular lines, an aggressive stance, and a signature LED DRL headlight. The single-sided swingarm and massive 240mm rear tire give it a commanding presence, while the lightweight chassis enhances agility and handling, making it surprisingly nimble for a bike of its size. Ducati has equipped the Diavel V4 with a suite of advanced tech, including a 5-inch TFT display, cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, and multiple riding modes. The semi-active suspension ensures a perfect balance between comfort and performance, whether you're cruising through the city or carving up mountain roads. The Ducati Diavel V4 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation. If you're looking for a bike that delivers jaw-dropping performance, head-turning style, and cutting-edge features, the Diavel V4 might just be your next ride. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring with Moto Explorer.